Hi there, James from Merlin here to introduce you to the new and exciting Commander Ultimate. The Commander Ultimate is our residential jack shaft opener and is our most premium product in the new Merlin range. We're going to be talking about the Commander Ultimate as well as the new innovative accessories included in the box. Let's get to the Commander Ultimate. The Commander Ultimate includes built-in MyQ Wi-Fi, which means no requirement for the MyQ gateway accessory. Information on your MyQ and serial number can be found underneath the cover of the Commander Ultimate. At the bottom, you'll notice 14 terminal blocks for multiple options and configurations, and then easy limit settings similar to previous Merlin products for consistency. In terms of battery backup, the battery backup is integrated into the operator, as you can see bottom here. This is exactly what the battery looks like, but when buying the Commander Ultimate, it's already integrated into the operator. Let's now talk about the new and exciting accessories included in the Commander Ultimate. The first thing we want to talk about is the new stop collar accessory, significantly improved versus previous products, taking a lot of the positive feedback we received from our key dealers. You can tighten the screws a lot easier for easier installation of the Commander Ultimate. The next thing we'll talk about is the inclusion of the 774 safety beams. If you're looking to use the MyQ technology, the safety beams must be installed. The next thing is the cable tension monitor. With its unique application and installation of the Commander Ultimate, the cable tension monitor is necessary to be installed to operate the door successfully and safely. The next thing is the automatic door lock. The automatic door lock is included in the Commander Ultimate. When the door closes, the lock automatically turns on, and it's really for consumers that want that extra peace of mind for security of their home. The next thing is the wired smart control panel. The wired smart control panel offers advanced features. These features include, up the top here, you'll notice a major button. This operates the garage door to either open or close. You'll notice a LCD display panel. This tells you some information like temperature of the room or number of cycles of the operator. At the bottom here, this is a motion detector, and the motion detector talks to the light that is provided also in the Commander Ultimate, which is this final accessory that's included in the box, the MyQ remote LED light. So when you go into the garage, the motion sensor will detect someone, and then the light will be able to turn on without having to press it through a remote control. And then at the bottom there is a designated button just for this MyQ remote LED light. The MyQ remote LED light is our most innovative accessory to launch in some time. The MyQ remote LED light offers bright, strong lighting within the garage space, depending on what activities and how you use the garage. The MyQ remote LED light can be used in 3 ways. One way is by talking to the operator. So when the operator is either opening or closing the door, the light will turn on or off automatically. The second way to operate the MyQ remote LED light is through a Merlin transmitter. You can learn the Merlin transmitter to a designated button for the MyQ remote LED light. That way you can turn the light on or off as you please through the Merlin transmitter. The third way of controlling the MyQ remote LED light is via MyQ technology. This can be done via smartphone or tablet by visiting either the Merlin website or using the MyQ app. That's the MyQ remote LED light. The final thing we want to talk about is the inclusion of the 2 E960 Premium Plus remotes. They offer 4 channels, works with Security Plus 2.0 technology, as well as Security Plus technology. So that's the overview of the new premium and exciting Commander Ultimate, as well as the new and innovative exciting accessories included in the box. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Merlin.